I have given the NEET for the first time this year, and I have chose to study abroad because the competition in India is going higher and higher every year. And also the next is going to get implemented from our year. So the medicine facilities will be same for GMC pass outs and the foreign medical students. And also the medical students passing from government medical colleges in India and also the private medical students passing from India have to give the same examination. Yeah, it's obviously a higher side or a higher upper hand of getting to government medical college in India, but it will be no difference of getting into from passing from foreign medical colleges and coming. So it's not a myth anymore because of the next and next two examinations. So the number of students giving the exam is going higher every year. So I don't think so giving a second attempt over years will be very much helpful for me. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Aryan Ghosh from Asansol, West Bengal. I have enrolled into Orenburg State Medical University because the English medium education over there is excellent, and also the climate is very good according to our Indian facilities. And also the mess and the hostel facilities over there is fantastic, for which I'm going over there. And overall, the college is fantastic about its FMG passing rate, and also my father has researched about it and it's fantastic. I have given the NEET for the first time this year, and I have chose to study abroad because the competition in India is going higher and higher every year. And also I was not getting government medical college this year, and I don't think so the rate was going to get low, so I chose to go out. And also the next is going to get implemented from our year. Foreign medical graduates who are qualifying from this year, they have to give the same exam that is next one and next two from 2030. So also the medical students passing from government medical colleges in India and also the private medical students passing from India have to give the same examination. So if you are giving the same examination for all three students, so it will be no differentiation for students to get into from government medical college. Actually, medicine is in my family lineage. My father and my past family members are also involved in medicine background, so it was like my family lineage, so I continued it. I have not thought about to give the NEET for second time because the cutoff is going every year higher and higher, and also the number of students giving the exam is going higher every year. So I don't think so giving a second attempt over years will be very much helpful for me. My advice will be, if you are giving NEET for more than once or twice, you should not give it thrice, because wasting every year over year, it will be a very much hectic after you come here for giving the next, because actually already the foreign medical students have to study for 6 years abroad, which is 5.5 years here. So if you are coming here and studying for next, you have to give another 6 months for that, and for next one you have to go 1 year internship. So wasting time over here, years over here, it will be not helpful for you. And yes, giving twice the NEET exam is okay, but not giving a third attempt will be helpful for you. Studying from Russia, to be specific, if you are going to Russia, the education is kindly of European style, so if you'll be getting a higher upper hand over there. And Indian medicine is basically depending on tropical medicine, which is also nowadays educated in Russia and surrounding Kazakhstan and all countries. So it is of no difference from India and outside.